Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 豚とキャベツの味噌炒め. It's very rich and satisfying main using pork and cabbage. Super easy to make as always. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚とキャベツの味噌炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like. Some cabbage. It's about 600 grams today. 2 tablespoons each of miso and mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 teaspoon each of grated garlic, soy sauce and sugar. And Shichimi Japanese chili mix if you like. Let's make the seasoning mixture by mixing all of these in one bowl. Miso, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and garlic. Mix well to dissolve miso. Make sure there is no lumpy miso left in the bowl. Let's cut the ingredients. Cabbage first. Remove the core. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Pork also into bite-sized pieces. Heat up wok or frying pan over medium-high heat and let's cook the pork first. Once the pork is almost cooked, like 80% cooked, add cabbage. And keep cooking until the cabbage is wilted. Once cabbage is wilted and cooked down to half, let's add the seasoning mixture. Just keep cooking for a minute. Okay, kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. Let's put some Shichimi Japanese chili mix if you like spicy food. And 豚とキャベツの味噌炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I didn't add any oil. It's just fat from the pork, but it's so rich and satisfying. Miso and garlic made it so flavorful and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とキャベツの味噌炒め goes here, plain rice here, and your favorite miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about きゅうりの酢の物 for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.